Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming pairing and credentials. This unlocks recovery options. First, keep the iPhone near and Bluetooth active so the watch can communicate. Next, have your Apple ID email and password and the watch passcode available because you may need to sign in. If battery is low, connect the charger now to avoid interruptions. Once those prerequisites are set, we'll use the watch or iPhone flow to erase and restore. This preserves your ability to regain access. You'll choose the quickest erase path. On the paired iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then All Watches, tap the Info button and select Erase Apple Watch. This sends the command remotely. Alternatively, on the watch, go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings and follow prompts. Make sure you stay signed into Apple ID or know the password. Activation lock ties the device to your account, so removing that is why credentials are required. You'll finish by setting the watch up as new or restoring from an iCloud backup during the setup flow on your iPhone. This returns apps and settings. If activation lock prompts for the previous Apple ID and you don't have it, try signing in at iCloud. To remove the device, or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active and nearby to complete the process smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.